We are here at 564 Hawks Trail in New Bern, Georgia. It's in Jasper County. This manufactured home sits on a little over 6.5 acres. If you have any trouble hearing me, there's a little horn icon somewhere on the bottom of this screen. You can adjust the voice. I'll be your tour guide, so come on and let's take a tour. This is an aerial photo of the property. As you can see, it's in the cul-de-sac on Hawks Trail, and it's shaped like a pie. Right nice piece of property. Come on, we'll take a look at it. We're out of the truck now. We're fixing to go up on the front porch and go in the front door. Come on. We stepped in the front door, and on our right, here's the kitchen. It's got a nice stove, plenty of counter space. And oh yeah, it's got a nice refrigerator to go with it. It sure does. We're here in the family room. It's quite a large family room. The heating and air system is fairly new, but since there's plenty of wood on the property that's free, it could be heated with this large wood heater.